Welcome back. My boy Greg here is going to show you how to make the best fried hot wings you've ever had. He's going to be providing some of the absolute best tips I've ever seen for fried wings. Welcome back to Bluff City Grub. Roll the intro.
Welcome back to another episode of Bluff City Grub. Today we're going to show you how to cook the best Memphis-style hot wings you've ever had in your life. So a lot of people, when they fry wings, they don't know how to get them crispy and tender. We're going to show you how to do that today.
Greg, would you call these fried wings? Would you call these buffalo wings? Maybe southern hot wings? What are they, man?
I would call them a southern sweet heat.
Southern sweet heat fried wings.
Southern sweet heat,
like
man.
Bluff City Grub fried wings.
That's it. Bluff City Grub, baby. So we're going to jump straight in there.
Let's do it.
All right, so the first step to making sure you make the perfect Memphis fried wing is you want to brine your chicken just to make sure, keep the moisture after the cook. We're going to put in about 8 tablespoons of brown sugar and 8 tablespoons of salt. And we're going to make sure that's mixed up really well. Pretty good there. We're going to put our chicken in there. We're going to let this chicken sit in there for about 3 hours or so. Perfect.
While Greg's got our chicken wings finishing off in the brine, we're going to be making a nice sweet heat to go with those wings. That's the only way we're going to make these wings the best fried wings you've ever had. For our sauce, it's only going to be 4 simple ingredients. The first one being Frank's Red Hot, some roasted pineapple habanero, some brown sugar for that sweetness, and top it off with a little tiger sauce. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start with 4 cups of Frank's Red Hot. We're going to add 1 cup of the roasted pineapple habanero. Give us a little sweet, a little pineapple in the back end for flavor. Take that in our NutriBullet or blender and blend it up. Once everything's blended up, we're simply just going to add this to our pot. We'll add 1 cup of brown sugar and 1 5-ounce jar of tiger sauce. We'll bring this to just a light boil, and we'll stir about every 10 minutes. Right, we've got a light boil here on our sauce, and what we're going to do is just add 1 fresh lime. All right, now we're just going to set it to simmer here. Let it simmer for 15 minutes and it'll be ready.
All right, so we got our fryer heating up. We're about to get up the tip here. We're going to go ahead and pull our chicken wings out of the brine, lay them out, and pat them dry. Start out with the bottom side. All right, we're gonna get this thing dried off here. Just take you a couple paper towels and just pat them dry. Try to soak all the moisture up off of the surface of the wing. It's got plenty in there. You just want to get that surface on there to help get the skin a little bit on the crispy side. That's what we're going for. All right, we're gonna do the other side now. Pat these guys dry on this side as well. All right, so we got our wings dried off here. Now we're gonna get them rubbed up. Let's start out with a little bit of cornstarch here. We're gonna coat the wings as good as we can with the cornstarch. And this is gonna be kind of like a batter. Get it rubbed in nice and good. One side, we're gonna flip them over and get the other side as well. But I really like the cornstarch because it doesn't give you that thick breading like a lot of other breadings on chicken wings. It's almost like you have a naked wing, but it gives it that crunch that you really want. All right, we're gonna go ahead and flip them over and get the other side. Just a little bit, rub it in really good. And then we're gonna season them up. All right, so we got the wings coated in cornstarch here, and we moved them to a new pan here just to keep them from clumping up. I mean, a little bit of moisture there. The cornstarch starts clumping up. Now we're just gonna rub them here with our rub. You can get it in the description below. It's our basic Bluff City barbecue rub. Try to coat them as evenly as you can. Just go light with it. It's just to give them a little color while they're cooking. All right, we're gonna get the other side. Light coating the rub here. All right, so we got our oil right where we want it, right at 350. We're gonna go ahead and get these chicken wings in there. Give them a little shake there before you drop them in the oil. We're gonna let these cook for about 15 minutes and they should be just right. These chicken wings are gonna be delicious today. All right, so we're about 5 to 6 minutes in, and we're just gonna kind of shake them up, make sure they're not sticking to the bottom, move them around a little bit in here. Look like they're right on time here. That's the color you wanted about 5 minutes in. They're gonna get a little darker as they're cooked. Drop them back in there. All right, so it's been about 13 minutes, and these wings got a really good color on them. They're looking good. We're go ahead and pull them out here. Kind of let the oil drip off of them a little bit here. You go ahead and get them in a bowl. These chicken wings are looking really good. Nice color on them. That's it. I can feel them in the tongs. They're really crispy, really crunchy on the outside, but it doesn't look like they have much breading. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, so get these wings out of the fryer now. We're gonna dust them a little bit with some more rub. Layers of flavor, that's how we do it here in Bluff City. Remember the link for the recipe is in below. We're gonna give those a nice little toss there. All right, so we have the fried wings out here. They're looking good, nice color. Now we're gonna hit them with that sauce. You don't want to put too much on them, not soak them, just a little bit, enough to coat them and give them that added kick of flavor. Remember, you want to sauce them right before you toss them. That's the way to do it right there. That way they don't get soggy on you and still have that crunch. Oh man, these fried wings look delicious.